Okay, you guys, welcome again to another all nation line video. I'm John, and today we're going to do a little demonstration of the website for you. We're going to start out on the home page, and we're going to look at a new feature in our digital workbench. And we're going to navigate over to that from the home page, and we're going to show you the new tool called Kit Assistant. You may also see it named Kit Assembly Assistant, and this particular feature will be and is designed to help you describe your problems while you're model building and get a solution. Now we have three different links on the digital work page, one at the top of the menu, one midway right below the ticker tape scroll bar, and then further down we have a link in the card area which you can click on, and it'll take you directly into the Kit Assistant. Once you're in there, you'll see an easy to use user interface. At the top, you can always go back to the workbench, or if you want to shop the website, you can do that as well. I'm going to explain a couple of things here on the interface. This is built using skill sets, and there's 36 so far in this particular implementation, and we have 7 universal skill sets that the AI engine utilizes for context. We have a line where you can actually describe your problem or post a question, and then just for quick purposes, we have a common area for assembly topics. Now, it's not a substitute for actual kit instructions, and a lot of these are based on the instructions that we put out with our kits, and we've included some of the instructions from a lot of the older kits, which would be helpful for people that are maybe getting a kit off the internet that they want to build and they have questions about how to go about it. Now we're going to click on one of the quick questions and just show you that it takes about 5 seconds for it to come back with an answer, so that doesn't take too long, and it'll give advice with regard to the question. In this case, it was about bearings. The second one we're going to show you here in just a minute is the O-scale coupler shims. We're talking about coupler height now. So it posts a question, and you'll note that it indicates the session context, that is, what skills it actually loaded for referential context for the AI engine. And then it comes back with the response. It will not only come back with a response based on some of our skill sets, but it'll also come back with general information as well. Now we're going to demonstrate doing a little input into the field where you can actually put in your own words a description of your problem or a particular question. So in this case, do I need a coupler height gauge when installing coupler pocket shims? We're going to click on the send arrow, and it's going to come back and give you some information about using the coupler height gauge, which you can use R gauge, or you could even use a KD gauge if you happen to have one. I'm going to type in another item. My boxcar keeps derailing on a certain turnout where it seems to be coming off at the switch points or through the frog. Can you diagnose my problem? We're going to click on the arrow. And again, it's going to take a moment to come back with the answer. And you can read through what it has to say. It'll show you the session context. In this case, track work switches is a universal skill set that I've implemented in the system. And we will be adding these skill sets more and more over time, and the system will get much more smarter than it is right now and be able to handle a way wider variety of questions. So just scrolling a little bit around on the interface here, we'll be able to take you back to the workbench, and you can come in and out of this user interface. We have it limited to 12 questions per session for rather load balancing, and it should remember within a session what you're talking about if you need to have follow-up questions on a described problem. So we're showing here that you can come in and out of the interface. You can go click on the shop button and it'll bring you into our Shop Now area. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please send us your comments, and if there's any usability issues with it, we'll try to fix it. It's under beta test right now, so thank you so much for giving us your time.